Okay, for 510, they want us to simplify. So for A, we add exponents when we're multiplying with the same base. So 3 and negative 2, 3 plus negative 2, or 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is x to the first, and we just write it as x. When we divide, we subtract. So this is really y to the 5 minus negative 2. 5 minus negative 2 is 5 plus 2, so that's y to the 7th, right? Really very little work for these. 4 to the negative 1 is 1 over 4 to the positive 1, right? So 1/4. And then D, power to power rule, 4 to the third, right? So this becomes 4 to the third times x to the 2 times 3, which is 6. But I can't leave 4 to the third as 4 to the third after I actually multiplied out. So 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. So 64x to the 6th for D.